Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. This is a little different. We're going to be customizing my personal car in the Need for Speed Heat Studio app. So, this is cool. This is definitely pretty cool. So, I think I don't know where I got this idea. I keep seeing like these like personalized trailers on YouTube, and I was like, hey, I want to try that. So that's what we're gonna do today. So right in front of us we have a GTI Clubsport, which you know, it's the closest we can get to an actual Mark 7 GTI. Even though it is a Mark 7, it's the Clubsport, so I can make do. So the first thing we're gonna do is we'll change the color. There we go. So if I scroll a little bit like so, we want to get that midnight blue, which is like, I'm going to say it's right. It's kind of like that. Wouldn't you guys agree? I also apologize if this sounds a little wonky. This is like, it's the first time doing something like this. So, okay, we want to do metallic. Definitely metallic. Oh yeah. Yep, that's exactly my paint. We'll do gloss as well. And of course, no window tint, because you guys know me, I got the fishbowl going on. Actually, you know what? I think it was like right there. We're going to bring it right there, because I don't deserve tint. All right, done. So we're done with the paint. We're going to go to parts now. I'm going to try to see if there's any other grills that I can do that kind of don't make it look like a Club Sport. But I mean, this is a dark paint anyway, so you really can't tell from that close. I do have a little lip, which I kind of want to like consider putting on, but like, I don't know. I mean, obviously they don't have Maxton lip, so we'll have to make do with a, yeah, this is fine. All right, next, can we just tap parts? Done. Oh wait, splitter. Okay, this is how you go through. All right. So this is the stock Volkswagen headlight, and I think all of these are just tinted, so that doesn't apply to me in this situation. So front fender, I know mine's stock, but these are the options. Oh my gosh, holy cow, look at that poke. Yeah, that'd be cool. Of course this is a two-door as well, but that's besides the point. This is oh, this is for side skirts. What are the stock ones look? Okay, yeah, I mean, I don't have any side skirts, so we'll just jump to the back. It's kind of sad because like a lot of my mods are like under the hood, so yep. And for the fender, you can probably make these poke a little. Yeah, not just a little, we're talking a lot. And for the taillights, okay, so I definitely have darker. I have the Mark 7.5 Euros, but these are just the Mark 7 Euros. But I know the standard tail is, I think this is like a G, because this is like an R, or no, this is like a tinted R. This is, I know, an R taillight, and this is like a GTI taillight. So just because my my Mark 7.5s are a little dark, we'll do that. And you kind of can't tell that they're Mark 7s anyway. So license plate, I don't think that matters. We'll do Pete. Wait, Pete. Oh, no. There we go. Looking good. And then a spoiler. I don't think they're, I mean, honestly, the stock one's closest to my Maxton, but we'll scroll through, see what we got. Oh man, that's crazy. I know there's a dude with a I forget his name, but he has a race track focused GTI, and it looks like this. That's pretty cool. And we got a different version too. Cool. I think we'll stick with the stock one because it does look aggressive. All right, so hopefully I can find something close to my Maxton Diffuser with a little bit of aggression, just a little bit. This Pandem one looks like a stock GTI. So that's what I don't get, because like I feel like you get like some stock GTI parts instead of Club Sport with some of these. Oh, that's close. I only have 3 fins though. All right, we're starting to leave the realm of close. All right, so Which one was like decent? Okay, this one's close, so we'll call that good. And then the bumper, it's stock, so. Exhaust, ooh, I want to do some big meaty pipes just like my Borla. No, oh, that's close. I like that. That's probably what I'm going to stick with, but I'll scroll through a little bit. Mine don't poke out too far like that either, but oh well, that's fine. I think I'll do, what was it, this one? Yep, this one. Beautiful. That looks good. All right, so for wheels, I'll see what I can do, but I don't know if I can find because obviously they're only gonna have one OEM wheel, and that's this one, the Clubsport wheel. But if I can find something that kind of looks like a Santiago, I'll make do. But chances are I'll probably just stick OEM. I know it looks a little goofy. I like these wheels. I don't know. Does it say what they're called? No. You guys can probably tell me in the comments, but I like these wheels. These are really nice. I also dig these wheels as well. I have a buddy with I think he has these ones on his Golf R, and it's bagged, and it's cool. It's stick and everything. I mean, I'm not feeling it. I feel like you really have to look at all the wheels. Oh, HRE, by the way. I wonder if I can find, if you guys follow I think it's Sepp Van Olsen or something like that on Instagram. He has a beautiful, actually GTI Clubsport. And it's on these really nice HRE wheels, and I'll try to find them. No, maybe, I think he has an M4 as well, and I think these are his M4 wheels, but, I mean, I don't know. I don't know wheels that well. I'm kind of an OEM plus guy, so with that said, we'll go back to the OEM wheels, and we'll call that okay. Of course, tires aren't much different. Brake calipers, they're red, I think, so I think that's fine. Oh, okay. All right, so we'll jump to the wing mirror. My wing mirror is paint matched too, but if it's like an arm and a leg, I don't really care too much about it. Oh no, battery's low. And I think this is for the hood. Yep. Now we'll stick stock hood. All right, so we're back to the bumper. So much. All right, so not much was done. Not gonna lie. But overall, it's not a bad looking car. I mean, I think the biggest changes obviously was the paint. Number one, the front lip. It looks kind of like my Maxton. And then the rear diffuser sort of like the Maxton as well, minus the fin and the big meaty exhaust tips. Those are the closest I could get to the Borla. Unfortunately, I couldn't do my Santiago wheels because that's like one of like the most key features about my personal car that like I can notice from a far away standpoint is the Santiagos. But overall, not bad. Obviously, this one it actually comes with a sunroof, which is cool too, because mine it does as well. But the two-door and yeah, overall, I mean, not too bad. Not too bad. We'll save it. We'll go with Volkswagen. We'll call it that. I don't know if it lets us like walk around, open the doors or anything, but you know, if it doesn't, that's fine. All right. Yeah, we'll add this to our showroom maybe later. Cool. Well, this is our GTI, guys. Looks really good. And I don't mind that they just put the Clubsport in the game. A lot of games don't put GTIs in; they kind of like overlook it. And this game, because I played Need for Speed Payback, and I think that's what it's called. It was like the last one before Heat, and it had the Clubsport, and it was like had the DSG farts and everything. So that was cool. We'll take a nice picture. All right, we're gonna go for photo, and I think we can like get some nice angle. You guys can sort of figure out that I'm not a car photographer quite easily by this, and boom, there you go. Enjoy that. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It's like really random. This popped into my mind, and it's like, what is it, 11:52? You can probably tell from the way I'm talking, but I'm exhausted. And but anyway, I wanted to show you guys this because it piqued my interest, and I just literally downloaded it. So yeah, so I have some plans with the GTI as far as video plans, not modification plans, of course. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Should be cool regardless. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.